Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the programming guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to download BeamNG.drive on PC. So what you have to do is open up a browser on your PC and you go straight ahead to search for Epic Games. So Epic Games is actually the official website for BeamNG.drive. So once you're here, you click on the website and you wait. So they do a security check, so they're going to verify if you're human. I'm just going to tick and wait. So you have to wait for it to load up, and you can also decide to sign in, or you can still just search into the store for the game BeamNG.drive. So you can see here, just click on it and you're going to see everything you need to know about the game right here. So you can see the game. Okay, so you can just decide to buy. It's currently at $9.99. It's approximately $10. So you can just click on buy now, and once you click on that, you can equally just add to your cart, and from there it's going to require your login that you need to actually sign in Epic Games. So once you just sign in, you are good to go. You get it? So it's very simple on how to actually download the BeamNG.drive. So let me just sign in quickly so you can see. Okay. No. So they're just going to ask you a few questions, your date of birth and stuff like that, and also your year. Okay, and you click on continue, and you still have to fill a lot of things as well. So I'm just going to fill it quickly. And okay, the cell is not available. Okay, this is not available as well. So just equally just go through all of it, and once you're done, you just sign in and pay for the game and you're good to go. Yes, so let's keep waiting. So I just finally got signed in. So now they're going to process my payment method, I guess. Okay, the checkouts. Yep. So I'm just going to add in. You can also use your rewards as well. You can see it here. So you can just add in your PayPal account or credit card, debit card, and you're good to go. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my next video. Bye.